Okay,
Wow.
one second. All right, let's get started. We are doing family challenge for you, and we also want you to be a part of this challenge. So Maya, let us know what we are going to make right now.
We're making mug cake.
Mug
cake.
Okay, so we have.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Can I stop?
Yes, we can stop.
Yeah. Okay, the challenge is we don't know what we're gonna make, so we are doing the lottery. We will start first with the youngest person here. All right. Just one. Lottery.
Don't look. Turn around. Now, pick one, quickly.
Pick one.
Oh
one.
man, I picked two. Okay, is this one?
All right,
Yes.
Mike.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
and I will get this
Two.
one. On three, we will open and read loud.
One, two, three, go!
Red velvet cake. Woohoo!
I got chocolate cake.
I have lemon blueberry cake. So we will start with. Who wanna start first?
Wait.
Maya?
Okay, so since I was the first one who could pick the card, I'm gonna do it.
So Maya will start with a chocolate cake. Maya, do you need assistance? Or you can do it yourself? That's okay. No problem. Maya, do you need my assistant or you wanna do it yourself?
Myself.
Okay.
Remember to do dry ingredients
First? Oh wow, that's awesome. So I don't want to disturb you. The challenge is on.
Alright, so we're gonna add a keto sugar. Let's put white ingredients first.
Okay.
White ingredients.
But what do you think this might be?
Chocolate cake, because I already know.
No, the white part.
What is the ingredient, Maya?
I think it is baking soda? All the white ingredients. Okay.
What about this one?
What's that? Show to the
I
camera.
think that is cinnamon? Chocolate cinnamon? I don't know.
I don't know.
Something chocolate because it smells.
Mm-hmm.
Japan.
Okay. That's fine.
Oh my god! Look at this!
Show to the camera, Maya. Alright. Woo!
Alright, now we're gonna add the wet ingredients. So, alright, we're gonna add this egg. Because the white ingredients are supposed to be wet. Inside of it is yellow. So, the yellow egg. Okay.
No, hey, come on.
Yeah, this is amazing. Okay, we're gonna put this here. And like I was saying, I love pink.
To na końcu.
We're gonna get this because it looks super clear. Oh my god, it's amazing. I put white over. Let's see if we can still see it. Okay, now we can add this. We need to start. We need to start. Okay, this is enough.
Dobra.
Mommy,
Yes, darling.
can you help me put it in the microwave? okay?
Yes, sure. Your cake can be my favorite. It smells amazing. Let's put it into a microwave for about 30 seconds. Then we will take a look and add a little bit more seconds. Okay?
In the meanwhile, I'm just gonna open up my chocolate.
Sure. You can even.
I can taste. Okay. This is giant. Look at this.
All right, Maya. So after 30 seconds, the cake look like this, and we need extra, I believe, 15 seconds. Let's see. I'm sorry, I had to try. Okay, so this one looks like kind of lava. It's very chocolatey. So if you want a more dry cake, you can of course add more seconds, but I think this one is perfect. Oh, Maya.
Yeah.
So you can eat straight from the mug, or we can just put it on the serving plate. Yeah.
Oh,
I need some helper. Oh,
this
yeah.
cake is amazing.
Maya.
Just leave this much.
Woohoo!
More.
Trust me, it's very tasty. Maya, you wanna to decorate this one with extra stuff? Okay, our first cake is ready. Maya, you did a great job. Yeah, so now it's time for me.
Bon appetit.
It looks like our first participant was not able to wait for the taste test. So while she is like enjoying her chocolate cake, I will make mine lemon blueberry cake. I think my cake will be also very delicious. I love blueberries, I love lemon. So let's get started. First, like Maya said, we need to mix dry ingredients. Almond flour. We have keto sweetener. I use
So that was keto sweetener.
Keto sweetener. I use
Stevia.
Swerve, baking powder,
And
pinch of salt. But you can use any keto sweetener you like and have available handy at home. And what I want to add, I will post all the recipes below the video. All dry ingredients are already mixed. I am adding egg, melted coconut, oil, fresh lemon juice. I will give it a stir. Now gentle stir, and it's time for microwave. Look at those colors, beautiful. This cake needs a little bit more time, so we will start with 30 seconds and then we will continue. I'm excited! I added extra 30 seconds. Every microwave is different, so I suggest you to try and microwave 30 seconds, check 30 seconds until the cake is fully cooked. Let's check this time. I think my cake is ready to go. Like I said, you can eat straight from the mug, but be careful. First we need to cool it down a little bit. But for our presentation and then later on the taste, I will put it on the serving plate. Wow. Smells delicious. I really love the combination of those two flavors, blueberry and lemon, and I will decorate with extra blueberries. Okay, so the second cake is ready. So now it's time for Mike. We will switch. So Mike, are you ready?
I'm ready. So I don't have a lot of experience with this. I will tell you what I see, and don't judge me, because I'm not, I prefer to be where Monica is, which is behind the camera, not in front of camera, especially in this environment. So, what am I seeing? I am seeing that this is red velvet cake. Great. I have a whole bunch of different ingredients. All of them look very nice. Monica, maybe come here and let's show these. Come a little bit closer, and then show these here. Sure. Okay. All right, so let's start with, and I'm gonna guess that this is, and you tell me if I'm right, keto sugar?
Yes.
Yes. All right. So just put it in.
You saw us how we were making them.
All right. Next. I have no idea what that is. I think it's sand from Cancun, maybe.
Kind of.
All right, so look, we're putting some sand. Don't try this at home. All right. Then we are putting, is that cocoa powder?
Yes, yes.
All right. Now, next, woo, this must be velvet. This must be velvet. So this is what I see. All right. Then just a little bit of salt.
Yes. Why do you think we need the salt for the cake?
I listen to you when you record your videos, and we need salt, guys. We need salt to make sure we enhance the flavor.
Yes, good job, Mike.
Not to mention the healthy minerals that we have within the salt. So, the next, we just probably mix these, right? So we are mixing all the colors. Kind of sound as an expert, but I'm not. All right. Okay. Now it's time for wet ingredients. We're gonna put the egg. Woo. We will put, is that what I think it is? All right, and what is that? Coconut milk? All right, coconut milk. We will then put coconut butter. Ooh. Oh, this guy is not going as fast as I thought. All right. Oh, what was that?
Baking powder.
Baking powder. And now we mix these together.
Wow, that's perfect. That's velvety already. Nice.
Wow.
I told you.
Okay, so what now?
Wow. Alright family, now is real taste test and we will tell you which one we like the most, okay? Maya, let's get started. Okay, so are you guys ready for the final verdict? Maybe Maya.
I like this one. It's the blueberry lemon one.
This is Maya. And for me, I like the most the chocolate cake. But the one advice, we need to eat kind of when it's warm because this one is already cooled down.
This is warm.
For me, this one is number 1. This one is number 2, and this one is number 3. All of them good.
All right, so
That's melted chocolate.
okay, so we will
Oh.
enjoy our cakes, and we really want you encouraged to make each cake because all of them taste delicious, and as you can see, everyone likes different one. So I'm just wondering which one is your favorite one. Let us know below the video. And thank you so much for watching. And thank you my family for joining me today in the show. Okay, one more thing. If you want Maya and Mike be in another video, please put the
Comments below.
Please comment below. Yeah, so then I will invite them for the next video and we will make something very nice together again. Bye bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to hit subscribe and get the bell icon, and also comment and like this video and get a thumbs up.
Oh, thank you.